Hello guys, we prepared a video for you on how to create a group chat on Snapchat. So here on my Android, just go to the app which is the Snapchat. So when you're in the home page or in the camera, just click here. There's a button here that said chat, and then um, here are the contacts that you can add. So the first thing you need to do here is to click on this blue message icon. So create a new one, and then here you can click the new group. It is up to 100 friends you can add. So for example, I'll add some of my friends here, and then you can also name your group chat so that you can find it easily. So I'll name it as sample. So chat with group. So right now you just created a group chat. So hello, you can send that. And also if you wanted to like add more people here, you can add. So you can add more people here by clicking the icon in the upper right side of your screen. And yeah, that's how easy you can create a group chat on Snapchat. So for more videos like this, just follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.